Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What a wonderful.
So for today's video I'm doing a little get ready with me, but it's I think a very exciting get ready with me. I think the most exciting get ready with me I've done because it's a college rave party edition. So it's like, you know, it has a theme. It's also a college party that I haven't been to a college party in I don't even know how long because of COVID and everything, but my school starts next week, and typically the week before the new semester starts or the new year starts or whatever, there's an orientation week, which is when there's like frat parties and college parties every day the week before. So today is Wednesday. Tonight there's a rave themed party. So then I'm going for that with a couple of our friends, and I decided to do a get ready with me because I thought it might be interesting to see like a college party edition. So we're gonna do like a fun makeup look, a fun hair look, a fun outfit, like rave themed stuff basically. Ida's gonna join soon, but until she joins we can get started. First I'm gonna put a hairband on so there's nothing on my face while I do my makeup. Also, my skin's like breaking out right now. I have like pimples on my forehead because I'm on my period currently, so that's not fun, but it's fine. So step one is we prime our face. I'm using the Il Makiage No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer. I honestly don't really know what primer does, but everyone always says it like holds your makeup. I've never really seen a difference, but I'm just gonna do whatever I'm told to do. We're gonna move on to foundation. I also use the Il Makiage foundation. It Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation in the shade 60. And what I do is I mix my foundation now with my moisturizer, so it's lighter, plus it makes you look a lot glowy. So I'll just put like 1 pump of moisturizer and like 2 pumps of foundation, and then just mix it on my hand, so like that. And it makes it look a lot lighter. Hello.
Hi.
Ida's joining us in the get. I just started, so
Okay.
fun. I'm gonna use this foundation brush and just blend it in. I'm also a little tan right now from Hawaii, so my foundation is looking a little lighter, but it's fine. Do you want to describe what look you're going for?
I think I'll kind of find it on the way, but
That's what I said I'm doing. I think we both don't know what we're doing and we're just going with the flow.
But rave is the
Like glittery,
that's what
bright type stuff.
and pink for me. Like I'm thinking.
Yeah, I'm going orange because my outfit has a little orange in it. Now that my base is done, I'm moving on to my concealer. Using the NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. It's almost over, but I have another one. I'm also gonna put a little bit of the concealer on my eyes for a base for the foundation. I'm looking really caked up right now, but don't worry, it'll like, you know, makeup, we need it to last tonight. It's a long day. Also, Ida and I are both on our periods right now. We got it on the same day. Like I got it one night before and she got it the next morning, but still. Which means I'm the alpha.
I don't think that's a thing, but okay.
She's only saying that because she got it after me.
Yeah, probably. Next time if I get it.
Then you suddenly you'll believe in it.
Yeah.
And now I'm just gonna use my Laura Mercier setting powder. And I just use the same beauty blender for different things, which is probably why I need to wash it, but it's fine. And I'm just gonna like rub in some setting powder in my under eye so my concealer stays on longer. Now that my base is done, I'm gonna move on to the eyes, which is the part I'm scared for. But what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take tape and I'm gonna put it there so we have like a nice little eye shape going on. I saw this on TikTok and I've honestly never tried it because I've always been scared, but we're gonna do that today. Do you want to try this too, Ida?
You can do it for me.
Okay, and then you'll scream at me when I fuck up. Now that the tape is on, we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm using the Blood Sugar by Jeffree Star palette because it has some bright colors in there. Should I be risky and do this, Ida?
Yeah, of course. Always.
We're gonna go for the bright little orange. Okay, we're putting the tape on Ida too, so we're both gonna look like idiots now for the next segment of this video.
What if it's not even?
I'll make sure it's even.
Or should I do like a base layer of something lighter and then use the pink?
I think
just go for the pink.
Yeah, I think just go for the
I
pink.
think it's too much.
I think just go for the pink.
I think it's too much.
I think just go for the pink.
I think it's too much. I'm gonna do a base layer and then take that pink.
I'm just not going to go straight for the orange.
You were asking me and I was like, no, it's not too much, and now I'm saying it's too much. But whatever.
The thing is, one of my eyelids are smaller than the other eyelid.
Sure.
Now I'm going to use like a little sparkly shade. It's called Sweetener. It's this one, and just put it on top. Which one? Should I go with the brown or should I go with the silver? I think the silver for a rave. But the brown will go with the eye shade more. I think I'll just go with the silver. What if I hate it?
Then you take it out.
Oh god, that's gonna be so annoying.
I don't think I actually like it a lot. It's not too much. Yeah, I think maybe that'll be better. What did you do? I think that's too much.
I'm blending it out over the whole eyelid.
Okay, yeah. I think that'll look nice, honestly.
We're really just experimenting right now. Okay, we got a glitter vibe. Moment of truth, I'm gonna take the tape off. I think I kinda like it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice?
It's very nice.
Okay, the eye is done. Now, last but not the least, I'm gonna use my kajal and just put it in my waterline.
What the fuck is that?
I think my kajal.
It'll go, it's denim, it'll go.
Yeah. It's gonna be dark. No one's gonna see us. Now it's time to color the lashes.
Fix it! Fix it!
Look here. You need to go back in with the tape. Glow up, call me.
Yeah, exactly. Did you watch the new season?
No, I was waiting for you. You watched it without me?
I didn't know you were waiting for me.
We watched the first two together.
No,
I
but
thought it
I've
was
already
common
watched
sense.
it. I'll watch it again because I really love that show. I'll watch it again.
So I waited for Love Island.
I waited for
I waited
Love
for
Island.
Glow Up.
I waited for
And what did I get in return?
I waited for Love
Betrayal.
Island.
Step 1 for the face is contour. Now that that's done, I'm going to use the bronzer and go over it. We are going to move on to blush. I'm using this Sunset Strip blush from Nude Sticks. Now that that's done, I'm going to move on to highlight. I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter Afternoon Sun in Mo Honey, but I use the Afternoon Sun. Next, I'm going to just quickly fill in the brows. Do you have an eyebrow gel?
No.
And now finally, last but not the least for makeup, I'm going to put on my lip liner. This lip liner is called Primrose from Marc Jacobs. Lip liner's on. Now I'm going to put on gloss after I put on my clothes so everything doesn't get glossy. But this is the makeup. Ida's also almost done with her makeup. Now let's show us our final looks.
It's not final, but
Like the makeup.
yeah.
And last but not the least, you can't forget setting spray. Two types of people.
Yeah.
One that drowns themselves and then one's just like...
But I did put a layer before that.
That's true.
So I was like...
Now that the makeup is done, we're gonna move on to outfit first and then hair. The final look, I did like cute little space buns. My makeup. Let me get the light. Cute. And then this is the little rave half two-toned orange pink top. I'm wearing it with these like chain pants and white sneakers. The top is from Doll Skills. These pants are from IMGA and my sneakers are from Reebok. And the jewelry is from Shop Weekend Lane on Instagram. And yeah, I'm ready. Just waiting for Ida to be ready and then we're leaving. So this is Ida's outfit. She's wearing this cute little pink tight dress.
Which is yours?
And her hair's in her half tie. And she's wearing white sneakers. So cute! Ignore our home, it's a mess right now. What's your outfit?
My shirt is from Devon's Top. My pants are from Urban, and my shoes, I don't know. Okay, my shirt is from Depop, but the tag says Urban Outfitters. My pants are from Urban Outfitters. My shoes are from my friend Abby. My rings and my necklace and my bracelet are Annabelle accessories.
Cute.
No, other store.
Excuse me.
Okay, my shirt is from Q. My skirt's from Target, and I don't have shoes. Cute. I think it's Windsor. Top is from Windsor. Bottoms are from Abercrombie. Converse.
I thought we did mine. My dress is Alia's. My shoes, I don't know where they're from. My rings,
Ooh.
I don't know where they're from. And my earrings, I don't know where they're from.
Okay, cute.